Kaya ulitin na natin talaga.
Oh, okay.
Now, alam mo kung bakit? Yan, yan ang problema ko. Okay, action!
Direk Elwood, maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak mo sa aming interview request. Dahil alam namin, mahirap kang makita at ikaw ay mahiyain at gusto nang mag-hibernate sa stage na ito ng iyong buhay.
I'm actually mesmerized and I didn't expect to meet this sort of a person in this interview because I keep to myself most of the time actually. You would say, I don't know how to interact with too many people, and I would say I have a few friends, and if I'm not working on a film, I just keep to myself at home and watch old classic films of the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and the time, and every now and then I watch a film that I made, and that's about all what I do at home.
Direk, totoo ba yun na wala ng copy ang Lollipops and Roses at Burong Talangka? Nawala na raw copy yun.
You know what? The mere mention of that film breaks my heart now. Because just simply, di ba? Wala na yung dalawa. And I'm not in a perfect condition myself. And
So, I hope na, syempre, anything that's on video is your legacy, your souvenir to the fans. Especially of that iconic, would you consider it a very important film in your filmography?
yeah, it's not only me who says that. But the gentleman, I didn't realize that because I'm very uninformed, and I didn't realize that this guy is actually a big businessman. Yeah, and he is a cinephile.
Cineast.
Cinephile.
So, he's not really an Iranian, he's a collector. Or
Not only
a
that.
cinema lover.
Yeah, he's a cinephile, and I think now he would be considered a cineast because he just produced a film. I know he has produced a couple of films.
Okay. So,
Yeah, and he has a camera. Well, I cannot divulge because I think I need his permission.
It's okay. It's really okay. You can be an author.
But, I love people who love the things I've made.
Waikiki.
Yeah, Waikiki is has been elevated into a place that I never thought it would reach way back. Now it's considered a gem.
So, this is a little known movie
Waikiki,
of Cocoy
Cocoy
Laurel.
Laurel is in
Paano mo siya napapayag to a long kissing scene with, of course, a goddess, Rio Locsin?
well, because it's a god. It's the small G-O-D. That's a big. Let's face it. Cocoy Laurel is just one of the real true learned actors in Philippine cinema. And now that all these videos of him keep coming out,
That's my video of him, the last video.
wow, and then you would know that I knew from way back that he comes from this family who are really great. Like for example, the mom for me was the embodiment of grace, and I can tell you that she was the real deal because I lived well in a way while shooting the film. I was with them and I was with her particularly, and
They produced the movie.
they produce lollipops and roses Burong Talangka. And that's why when they ask me, who is the best, who are your favorite actors? I keep saying,
Coco.
number one, Victor Laurel. Number two, Gabby Concepcion. Number three, not in that order, Amalia Fuentes and Nora Honor. And why not? Because these people produce movies for me. When they give you the trust, you, I am just grateful. And at the same time, with the quality of, it gives you that thing, you know, parang they're ano ba sa Bible? Ano sa Bible? Yung parang certificate of ano, approval.
Affirmation.
Around it. Yeah. It's an affirmation of your importance in this it is an affirmation of your importance in the things you do.
Mhm.
If people, knowledgeable people like the ones I mentioned, especially Coco
Laurels.
and the Laurels, would give you the trust to make a film for them.
So can you tell me how the directorial job for Burong Talangka landed on your lap? Kasi you were not the director of the first Lollipops and Roses.
Because I think, well, they were there ahead. They were there in the late 60s, di ba? 69, I don't know what year.
71 na.
Oh, you said
First
71. And
In
I
1975.
and I started making movies in 1970 as a young man in a hungry Harry, di ba? And from long, I don't know why I had this. I was more or less boxed in as a launching filmmaker, but now these were stars that were already launched, and they were big stars at the time. So it was, I don't know, perhaps I was, well, I don't think, one other thing is that I don't think people will just be getting you to make movies for them. I mean, produce movies for you if they think you would be making gods, di ba? Siyempre, kumikita siguro yung mga gawa ko at that point in time. So, pwede na akong kunin ng pelikula po starring the biggest stars, Victor Laurel and Nora Honor.
Pero why did it stop there? Yung team up nila after Burong Talangka? Wala na, no? Naging serious actress na si Ate Guy.
Well, it wasn't just that. I think, alam mo, one thing about Nora Honor, she has made some really, she was alam mo one thing about Nora Honor, she was,
How would you describe
No,
Nora
kasi-
Honor as an artist?
she always, Nora Honor never stopped evolving. Do you know that I was part of the film, and it was actually well, it was actually my brainchild to do Lipad Dana Lipad. Did you know that?
Wow.
And that made Vilma Santos huge. Parang there was Nora was a reigning queen that time.
Okay.
Pagdating na Lipad Dana Lipad, di ba? She also wanted to do one. With
Si
G.
Nora?
Yeah, G. Ano yun? Super G.
Oo.
And I heard it also made money daw. But
Hindi
then,
ba nagtapos
again,
sa
trendsetter
Lipad?
was Vilma. We were not, I was never close to stars in that way. Perhaps the closest I would say I became a friend to a star was just recently, si Amalia, when we were already made. But one thing about her, she also sought my services for a film. And that would make me fall in love with you. Pag you give me the trust, di ba? That is, how
But
else?
Popoy, I think, became a good friend of yours as well. Sabi mo
Ah,
a
yeah.
month before he died, he texted you.
Well, no, I think we talked on the phone.
What about?
I don't know if that was a month before, but that was the time that he was going to sing at the celebration for his, the President Laurel. Diba? Ayun. He was going to sing and I said, alam mo naman si Coco, hindi wise. He's never, you only see how great he is when he's already performing. You see him he even looks shy, di ba? Na parang you would think that he already went through nag-ano na siya, already,
Failing health.
no, he's done Broadway
Oh, yeah,
as
of
Lunta
course.
in what you call in King and I. He even before that, he was huge, and he didn't go in. He just
So humble.
yeah. I think it's not humility. It was actually more about self-confidence. You know, if
Without
you're,
being
yeah.
offensive.
You don't have to try too hard to get known as this handsome and knowledgeable star.
That's
Hi.
Popoy.
Hello.
He's so cute. Pero in my last interview with him, he was so profuse in his praises for his leading lady in Lollipops and Roses.
But they really,
The
I think,
superstar.
they were the real.
Mm.
Talaga yata, now that I go through all the reels on TV, online, all the reels, now that I've been exposed to all those reels online, I didn't realize that he was talagang yung team up nila, talagang yun. It was the team up. Di ba? And you could tell that they were really very fond of each other.
Oh, yeah, through the years, no? Through the
Oo.
decades.
Tsaka yung he capped that thing, yung dinala niya yung painting sa
Sabi
I caught all of this online and
Uh-huh.
just staying at home because I never,
It was a huge painting, and it was only one of several.
yes.
So bakit na-inspire masyado si Popoy kay Nora, no?
I think
Was it the
that,
friendship?
no.
Something more?
Maybe. I think that was
Huh?
it was a romantic team up.
Mhm.
And they were always like that, even sa set, sa Bobo ng Talangka.
Oh.
Lagi sila, and alam mo, si ano pa naman, Victor Laurel, yun is the producer, he attends to you. Kung babae ka, talagang mesmerize ka kasi he was just so attentive. Lalo na at that time, married na si,
Oo.
mga ka na.
Married na. Nandun daw
And
si Christopher sa set?
And she was 5 months on the way. Mga pala.
Oh,
5 months on the way.
Oh, so all the more na-identity si Popoy.
and he was
Kasi
5
buntis.
months on the way. Kaya si
Oo.
Coco, and not only Coco, even Mrs. Laurel.
Mhm.
Ay, nako. Very, napakabait nila sa ilo. I would say. Tsaka,
So nagliligi pala si Ate Guy.
no, 5 months lang yun.
So tapos na. Tapos na.
5 months.
Pero it's still difficult.
Pero
But not obvious yung pagbubuntis niya doon.
Ay, alam mo kasi ako,
Mm.
pag nandyan ako, that is so important for me when I make movies. Suspension of disbelief, which is
Yes.
a very important element when you watch movies, di ba?
Mhm.
So, when I make movies, it's almost like I'm watching movies also.
Mhm, mhm. So you pretended that your star was not pregnant, she was
I would forget it. Alam mo kung bakit? Sa totoo lang, hindi na naman kaya nangyari sa akin yan. Kay Vilma Santos, 6 months na rin pregnant.
anong movie?
Pakawalan mo ako.
Mm.
Oo. Yeah, nalaman namin. So we had to face the movie. And, no, pakawalan. Yeah, pakawalan mo ako.
Mm.
And then, Alma Moreno, in Magkaribal. She was 5 months pregnant also.
Oo.
Imagine, yung mga yun lahat nung dinidirect ko yung mga ano nila. Yung firstborn ni Nilan tatlo.
Oo.
All of firstborn.
Mm. Pero before shooting ba, do you consider this buntis si Nora, dapat ganito lang, parang may ganun ba? Wala.
I'm sorry. Alam mo yung Crooked Street? That's why I'd love to see that film. Pero kasi may eksena doon. Yung Crooked Street, Lombard Street, hinahabol ni Nora yung
Oo, yung trend.
Yung Crooked Street, yung
Oo,
Lombard
San
Street,
Francisco.
in San Francisco. The last sequence there was yung wheelchair where Victor Laurel was on. Wow, was going down the Crooked Street, hinahabol ni Nora.
Kaninong concept naman yon yung ganun?
Alam mo kasi ako, one thing I can say is that meron akong sense of video. That's my strength. I think, you take me to a place, sandali lang tayo, check it out. Kaya yan, I was always being, employed to make movies like Miracle of Love in Europe, Pinay American Style in New York, at saka ito. But of course, they found this out after I made Lollipops and Roses of Bunong Talangka. I'll wait for you also in San Francisco. Kay Gabby Concepcion, I would have made another one. Ganda
Oo,
sana.
bakit hindi natuloy?
Rita Gomez, Lolita Rodriguez, Marlon Logan, and Victor Laurel. And Gabby Concepcion. Well, ayoko na pag-usapan yun kasi
Ano nangyari?
hindi walang nangyari. Question yun sa ko kasi siguro I might have overpriced myself out of the kasi at that point in time I decided when I'm not in the mood to do anything. I mean, like, it was not my mood to go to San Francisco. Ganon. Pero sayang, di ba? Yung tatlong, because I had the privilege to direct Rita Gomez, but Lolita Rodriguez and Marlon Logan, I never had any films with them.
Direk, paano mo napapayag si Popoy? Kasi napaka-wholesome ng yung mga his identified musicals. Tapos panoorin namin yung Waikiki, ang haba ng kissing scene. Paano mo siya napapayag noon?
Si Coco is a professional.
Oo.
Akala nila, Coy, gano'n. He loses himself in the role.
Pero bakit kaya nag-stop ang partnership ni Ate Guy at Popoy sa mga musical? At pwede naman din maging serious.
Sayang, no? Bakit hindi nila naisip yun?
Oo, walang nakaisip. Ano lang sila? Hanggang musical.
Alam mo, kasi pag ganyan kailangan meron kang devoted na kagaya ko. Dapat, sabi ko nga just recently, at paano ko sana si Kokoy sa, yung nagkaroon kami ng award ni Vilma, paano ko sana si Kokoy dun sa, ang galing ni Kokoy doon, Pinay American Style.
Pero, teka muna, kasi nga, ewan ko ba, ang alam talaga ng fans lang yung burong talangka.
Yeah.
It doesn't even figure when you talk about Popoy Laurel, yung iba ng movies with you.
Yun na but Kokoy was one of my favorite co-workers. Cracker Jack co-worker.
Why?
Wala kang pagod, wala kang, hindi ka naninimbangan. He knows what he's doing. He knew what he was doing. And he was, siyempre, maski background, etc., alam mo na siya. Ano siya, man of the world, actually.
Renaissance man.
Yes,
Right.
he's a painter, a good one at that. Lahat siya. And I didn't know, ngayon ko lang na-realize, sabi ko nga sa party ko, my God, Kokoy pala sings this way. Kasi at that time, alam mo naman, when you're a young man, like I was saying, when you're a young man and a hungry Harry, nagiging medyo myopic ka towards that end that you wanna accomplish, di ba? You wanna keep doing, sana ginawa ko pa ng kasi he turned down a film
Anong film yun?
Bilangin na Bituin sa Langit.
Bakit
Meron,
daw?
kasi yun din ang problema ko. Sabi ko nga, naghinaya ako. Sabi ko, why did I intervene? Sana sinabi ko, Coco, you do it. Kasi baka kala mo, hindi yata niya nagustuhan yung script or role.
Sinong kapartner niya?
Napunta kay Miguel Rodriguez siya.
Oo, palaging si Miguel din sa mga pelikula mo. Favorite mo rin si Miguel.
Well, I wouldn't say, he's a fine actor and a great actor to work with. He was pala. I wouldn't say, kasi I really detach myself from actors.
Oo.
Kasi gusto ko pag nandyan ako, I forget that they are this, And then, kung minsan, I act like a fan on the set. Kasi yun nga, yung suspension of disbelief, kung ano yung aking feeling. Halimbawa, ikaw, kagaya ngayon. Nung kanina, when I just got in and you would talk, Aba, ganun pa rin ito babae ko. So, I was intimidated.
Na-intimidate kita.
Ganun ako.
Grabe naman.
Ganun alam ako bakit. In a way, I'm very insecure.
Ako.
And shy. It takes a while for me. Pero mo, nagkita lang tayo ngayon. Tapos, ano kaya ito? And then, the condition of this interview, di ba? Sabi ko, had you told me, sinet up ko, etc. Paano tayo pag-closer? Ang closer, pwede ko lalapit na lang dyan, ano? Ha?
Ako kasi, I believe na kung raw, okay yung raw, instead of yung masyado ng stage yung interview.
Yeah, pero we can pretend. Suspension of disbelief na. We could suspend as disbelief kunwari. Hindi. Yeah. But you know what? Sabi, hindi ba? Kasi nga, I even asked around my friend, do you know this lady? Ganun. Yeah, it's from the bulletin. Ganun. Yeah. Why kaya? Why would he choose an 80-year-old has-been?
But you don't know, I did the last interview now, Coco.
Ba?
And he graciously, gave that interview without knowing me as well. We did it in a church, Santuario de San Antonio.
Iba yun. Alam mo kung bakit? That was your gift from God. Ganun yun. Kagaya ngayon yung nangyari. And then, parang welcome yung natin, Laura Popoy, di ba? And I sensed it. Pero, at the same time, sabi ko, it scares me. Yeah, kanya hindi ako, when I got in and then, etc., I felt like, ano ba ito? It gives me the shivers.
But you're really a big part kasi the fans are now, kung kailan sila namatay, they are so excited about
Because of the
Popoy love
chemistry,
story.
visually, makikita mo yung vision. At saka pag kumanta itong isa, harapan mo sila ng version ng Funny Girl. Ayun sa Funny Girl, yung people, iba yung version nila. And then
They're
talagang,
both talented.
and then, ang sweet nila sa isa't isa. That's why I'd love to watch Lollipops and Roses at Bunong Talangka. Humingi naman kayo ng tulong dun sa, even if I have not divulged the name, and he's a very important cinephile and cineast. Sana mabigay niya sa akin pagbalik niya from China, and I know that he has an office there, sa manufacturing. Imagine that.
Pero, it's a wonder, no? DL, the Laurels don't have a copy of
I
their
know.
movie.
I don't wanna mention a name na ang may ano na. Mahirap naman kasi i-blame mo yung tao na yun, no? Basta, you won't hear anything, lalo na kung kapwa-director or what. Oo, basta ang gusto ko na lang positive. Sana, but it's not the only film that I lost. I don't have Paraisong Palisukat, Christopher and Alma.
You don't have.
I don't have Bawal Asawa Ko, which was a seminal film. It actually made me
I
in a
think
way.
it was shown in UP, ano, diba? Retrospective.
I've had several retrospectives in UP, and
Kasama
sadly,
yung Bawal mo.
sa Bawal was not one of them. Wala lost din. Yun ang pa naman ang first production namin. Ako pala, come to think of it, I was not a producer, co-producer there. Yung uncle ko ang producer. Dalawang uncles ko, Hernando Mendoza and Fabian. And then sila, mga industrial partners sila, Joey Dusenfiao, direct Joey Dusenfiao, and the late Douglas Quijano. They were industrial partners here. Juan de la Cruz Productions. By the way, nung mga panahon na yan, hanggang ngayon naman, I only know how to make movies. I don't know how to make a business out of making movies.
So, nag-fail yung previous ventures mo?
Ang hihit na pero ako, I will never get rich. You know why? I don't equate success with money. Parang ganun. It's ridiculous, but it's in this day and age, you realize that people would do what people could do to
Greedy nga ang greed na ang problema ngayong mga araw na ito, diba? With all the scandals about in government.
I don't know.
Pero you're like Ate Guy kasi she didn't care about money as well.
But she spent a lot of money, and she produced movies also. Whether or not they make money, you know, one thing about Nora Ono, meron siyang foresight. Iba siya. We cannot, ngayon na nga, for one thing, di ba? She was able to achieve that prominence and that title. Di ba? She deserves it. She deserved it. Oh, she deserves it still. And gano'n. At saka maraming loyal sa kanya. Napagtatakpan siya kahit ang pamay.
Pero yung si John Rendas pala appeared in your movie for the first time, and that's how he met Nora.
Kasi tayo.
Oo.
That's also, that's what I love Nora for. She produced that film for me. And it was,
Award-winning.
Hindi lang. Talagang, who would ever venture to make a film like, that, iba siya, art film, ano siya.
Iba na.
Ganun siya.
Pero yung mga lalaki pala na naging parte sa buhay niya, nandyan ka rin Poker Love. JR. John Rendas.
The
Christopher De
Mananong arte yun.
Oo, marunong umarte.
Marunong, magaling.
Oo, you've had a lot of Christopher De Leon
Oh,
movies.
paano? It was like this. Paikot-ikot lang kayo kasi I'm sorry to say, baka sabihin, nung bumuhat ako ng bangko, nagkiklik yung mga ginagawa namin. So kami rin ang kinukuha. In fact, hindi ko na sasabihin, yung producer kong isa, dinimanda pa ako just so I wouldn't make movies elsewhere. Nasign ako ng exclusive contract. But let's not talk about that. Please don't
Oo.
put it in the film.
Pero meron bang big star na hindi mo nahawakan? Kasi parang lahat big stars dumaan sa directing mo eh. Di ba?
Yeah,
Meron
sayang.
bang na-wish ka na na-direct mo rin na big star?
Siguro my favorite actors. My favorite actors, si Marlon Brando, tsaka si Paul Newman.
Hindi local.
At saka my favorite actress, Elizabeth Taylor. Siguro.
Pero sa local talaga lahat na-direct mo.
Hindi ko masasabing gano'n. Baka naman ma-insulto yung mga hindi ko na direct sabihin. Hindi ko pinili lang ako ng producer mag-direct. And I just did yun one thing, yun ang recent director ko, sabi ko, natutuwa siya, bakit yung mga ginagawa ng pelikula doon, ang mamahal, ganyan. Tapos ganyan, di yung pelikula niya, nag-award siya, tsaka mura pasyada, sabi ko, I just wanted you to, sabi ko, it's more than, gusto ko yung nagawa ko for him was more than what he expected. Diba?
Sino to?
Hindi ko nasasabihin.
Pero, Sir Elwood, through the years, through the decades, may close relationship si Abigail at si Kokoy.
Makikita mo talaga, di ba? Really
Kasi
true, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda yung mga partner nila. Yung mga pinapanood natin sa video, grabe.
Ano napanood mo? Ano napanood mo?
Sabi ko, chemistry sa everyday. Kasi ito nga,
Through the years concert.
hindi lang yun.
Mga-
After their death,
Oo.
panaglalo, parang nagkaroon ng, hindi ba?
Kasi nga sa interview ko, dahil ang ganda-ganda ng mga sinabi ni Kokoy na adore niya si Nora, talagang...
At totoo yun. Totoo
ano,
yun. Si Coco is one person na
From the heart.
hindi lang yun is
Generous with words.
yeah,
Pero special si Nora.
natural yan. Pero talagang pag napanood mo yung chemistry nila, sabi, bakit kaya hindi ko nawa pa mga pelikula nito guys? Ang talagang, up to now, ang aking number one, what you call it, ang holy grail ko ay, well, up to now, ang biggest, na sana mangyari pa, is makagawa ko ng musical. And there was this time,
Ang benchmark mo ay Burong Talangka.
nang Buro talaga was not exactly that. Gusto ko yung musical, like my favorite film that I have seen 120 or more times, West Side Story. Gusto kong gagawa ko ng
Nagawa rin yan Kokoy, di ba?
sayang magagawa ko man lang sana ng not West Side Story. I mean film na yung singing musical, yung gano'n. Yung gusto ko yun talaga. In fact, yan ang plano ko. Hindi naman natuloy na kay Ate Guy. Meron akong movie sana gano'n eh.